Guys, we are officially in Bali. I'm so happy to bring you along on this trip with me. Cooking class time.
I love how they help everyone.
I know. A little tired.
Cooking class.
I'm a little tired, but we're gonna do it. A cocinar. Damn, they have a molcajete right here.
Cheers.
Is it recording?
We're doing a little takeover here. We're getting ready for cooking class. We're here in Ubud. We're doing a little takeover. We're excited to get cooking. Who do you think is going to be the best chef?
You.
Not me. Me? Probably you.
Amy. Watch Amy. She said she can't cook, but watch her be like the best.
Okay. Votes are on Amy being the best chef.
It's gonna be.
I actually really love cooking, so I think I have a leg up. We'll see.
More? Wait, I did those. Like that's fine. Oh, he told me to put it in there.
Yes, okay.
So little pieces. They're probably like Jamie's girl.
We don't cook in we go out to
We order food. These two?
Yep, I'm going for a
It's on. Come on. I'm watching. He's hungry.
Not hungry anymore.
More. Salt.
Oh!
It's a straw.
Nice. Who's next?
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah.
Make it powder. Do I send
Oh, this is.
It's for, what is it? Who wants to count away? Wow. Am I not doing it good enough? It must be on fire. Alright.
It's in the car. I'm gonna grab it.
Yeah, I'm like,
just massage until the water's green.
Nice.
I don't know what I thought. I want to toasted coconut. Go first for taste testing.
Oh. Good?
Try it?
Yeah, right. Which one? Coconut.
You want to try?
Oh. Thank you. Oh,
Go
shoot.
shoot. Come take more.
That's so good.
All
Chef
we did
Lisa.
was literally take coconut meat,
I know.
toss it on the fire.
This one nutmeg. White pepper. A candle nut.
We don't.
So hot water come? Yeah.
Me too. Take it out.
Right here.
Okay. Yeah.
You're not even
Assistant of the staff.
Sambal?
Yeah.
It's all of that.
But this is Balinese sambal? But usually it's not roasted, yeah?
Yum.
Hot chili. You get full hot.
Yeah.
Okay.
Nice.
Yeah,
Palm sugar is just like a piloncillo. Correct me if I'm wrong, it's literally a piloncillo.
Okay.
But was it maybe like lollipop?
Too big.
Too big? No, that's tempeh. Do you want me to fan proof it? Are you happy?
This. Di ba ang nabubo?
Have you done it in other countries? Yeah, I've done them in Thailand. Put it through. We're doing it in Italy, yeah. I'm Delhi.
Bumbu.
And if we did,
Careful, it's hot.
That's good. Stop! He's making fun of me. Oh my gosh.
Look at that. The little like piece of stick is the little stuff.
I like broke me.
Perfect.
Tergantung bayi. I'm using bamboo stick. Ono sili ini kan. Mau no sili.
Great.
Ini tuh.
There you go.
Oh my gosh, hallelujah. That is not right.
We also got some of the chicken.
Oh yeah.
Lime. Did someone just?
Yeah.
I just got whipped. No. And paws off.
Oh my god. Okay.
Pop down.
Oh.
Yeah, that.
Yeah, I had the.
Ini Don. Ubud.
Có đồ nhám được Phú. Nên bật đèn không? Right, when I thought I was doing duty.
Rồi bằng cái
Never been to
này.
South Africa, only. Like a pasta.
Yeah.
Ready? You have pasta roll?
I'll take a picture all of us. I don't want to do this. Yeah, I'll let you do it. Airdrop me.
What's up, you guys? It is 2:30 a.m. and we are, or not 2:30. It's almost 3 a.m. and we're gonna be getting picked up and go on our way to Mount Batur to do the sunrise hike. So let's go. Not super well rested, but that's okay. We're gonna wake up with all this walking. The girlies at.
We didn't?
Look at that view. My hair is a little crazy.
Hot spring sounds so good right now.
I totally forgot about it.
Oh my god.
We're gonna go to the hot springs after this and get a massage. So excited. Our eggs are in there.
Oh, red camera.
Tea time. Egg time. On your head. Our way down. Oh, good. Was there another one or am I taking yours? Okay. Forgetting to vlog, but we are here in the hot spring. It feels so good. Just got done with the hot springs over there. Now we're gonna do a massage. Over here? Oh, thank you. Alright, you guys, we just got to the rice fields. Look at her cute little hat. I need a cute little hat like that.
So good on you.
Maybe not with the clip, but
Yeah, maybe. There we go.
feel refreshed?
Well, we are ready to go.
Let's do it.
Very quiet midday.
We have the structure organization for watering, for farming in Bali, starting from the top until the bottom. Yeah? In Bali we have two types of rice. We have the Balinese rice, and then we have organic rice. Balinese and organic rice. Balinese 6 months, and the rice is a 4 months. So 1 year we can 2 until 3 times for harvest time for the rice. Still use, we don't use machine, all by hand. So we go, you know. Okay, so rice. Waiting the red or black color is ready for harvest. So before the harvest time, we call it beras, the rice. Before harvest, after harvest, we call it padi, and after cooking, we call it nasi. It's the same rice.
Okay.
You open. And so
So
still,
first it's, so this one's paddy?
padi.
Paddy.
Yeah, before the harvest time. Oh yeah.
Okay. Just go all the way? Yes. Well, how far can we go? I thought we could actually go onto the thing. That's what I did.
He was saying something, I don't know if he was saying that can only be on here.
Because there's like pathways.
Yeah.
So, Lisa, do we just keep going that way? Having some difficulties here. We're trying to get over there, but I don't think it's gonna happen. I'm not sure. There used to be access from down here, but not no more. No access?
I make video. Can you?
Okay, thank you. He had told me. These are cute. But yeah, you said that this one's the.
That's what she said. I can't really tell.
No, I can't. No. Let me see. If I see the ones that are really still, I'm not garland, but I'm gonna think about it. Let me see.
All of my Bali
This little black one's cute. Oh yeah. So we got to the Ubud market a little late, so they're starting to close up. I got some rings though.
Oh, you got a ring too?
I got 2, yeah. We're sweaty.
So sweaty. It's like the train.
Yeah, I think we're gonna go look for food now. Yeah. What's the plan?
Well, sounds like everyone's hungry, so
I'm pretty hungry.
We're gonna go
Oh yeah, let's go. Let's follow the leader, Lisa.
Who doesn't know where she's going?
Alright, I got some incense for Hector, my brother Hector, and for myself. We are walking down the main street to find some other shops, I'm guessing, and then we're gonna get some dinner.
Barang ada.
Guys, I have to show you the super cute stuff I got. Okay, so I got this new ring at the market, at the Ubud street market. I got this ring right here, and I got these bracelets from a little shop over here, and I got some earrings as well, but I'm not wearing them. But anyways, right now we're gonna go look for food. I look crazy, and hopefully we have some daylight for a while. I'm so sad that we're leaving Ubud already. We're not here for too long. Tomorrow we're going to tomorrow's Canggu, right? Canggu. Yeah, I'm so sad to leave Ubud, I'm not gonna lie.
So loud.
So
Did you
loud.
guys hear that?
I don't think they heard me at all.
You need a mic.
I know. I did not bring it.
I set it free. I bow my soul.